Good day to everyone. Today we are going to see what are the cautions you have to take when you are prescribing azole antifungals to your patients. So certain things you have to keep in mind while prescribing azole antifungals. So the example of azole antifungals would be fluconazole and miconazole. Either you can give it in a systemic form or a topical form for a person who is suffering from fungal infection in the oral cavity. So even if you're giving it in a topical form like an oral gel, you have to be cautious enough because this azole antifungals have interaction with most of the drugs. Let's see one by one. First of all, if a patient is taking an anticoagulant like warfarin, this antifungal azole which you are prescribing will inhibit the metabolism of warfarin, which in turn increase the international normalized ratio. So you are in a position to monitor the international normalized ratio within 72 hours of starting the drug and as well as 72 hours after the withdrawal of the drug. Initially hazardous drug interaction between the azole antifungals and the antiarrhythmic drugs. So the patient would be in the risk of ventricular arrhythmias. So do not prescribe a drug who is taking an antiarrhythmic or an antihistamine. If a patient whom you are prescribing antifungals of azole derivatives is taking a simvastatin or atorvastatin as an anti-cholesterol drug, there is a possible increased risk of myopathy in the patient due to the interaction between simvastatin and azole antifungals. So be cautious enough. So the take-home message is that the azole antifungals interact with anticoagulants like warfarin, antiarrhythmic drugs, antihistamines, and simvastatin and atorvastatin. Be cautious enough when you are prescribing azole antifungals. Not only the systemic azole antifungals, even for the topical azole antifungals do interact in the manner which I mentioned earlier. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and comment. And if you want to know about the upcoming videos in our Dental Shots YouTube channel, do subscribe and have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.